Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today's video will cover exporting your transactions from ClearCheckbook to a CSV, QIF, OFX, or QFX file. Exporting transactions is the best way to send or print your transaction data if you need it for tax purposes. Exporting transactions can also be used as a way to save all of your transaction data to your computer if you want to have a hard copy or if you need to run other types of analysis on them. There are a few ways to export your transactions. These include the Export button on the transaction register, which will export all of the transactions shown on the current page, on the search results page, which will export all transactions matching the search criteria, and finally by clicking on Tools at the top of the page, then Export Transactions. The Export Transactions form is the same form you'll find on the search page, but it has the addition of the file format you want to use. CSV files is the most commonly used file format since it can be opened in any spreadsheet application such as Excel or Google Sheets. You can see there are a lot of options that can help you narrow down the exact transactions you're trying to export. In this example, I'll export all deposits from the last 90 days. The first thing I'll do is change the date range to last 90 days, then go over to the transaction type option and change it to deposit. Next, I'll click the Export button. This will process the export form and generate the file for download. You'll either receive a prompt to find a location to download the file, or it will download to the default downloads folder your browser has set up. When the file opens, you'll see all of the transactions that match the export criteria. If you want to play around with the form first and see which transactions it finds before actually generating the file, go to the search form and enter the same criteria. When you get the exact search criteria you need to find all the transactions you want, you can click the export link at the top of the search results. If you have more questions about exporting transactions, visit ClearCheckbook.com and go to our help section. We have an entire knowledge base article covering everything related to exporting transactions.